how you...
Are you taking a picture of me digging in his butt?
No, I'm recording.
It's all sticky everywhere.
A butthole for the bird. That's horrible.
Birds love it.
Birds like elephant butthole. Yeah. Me too.
Actually, just look at what Autumn's doing. It was like she shoved fingering the elephant.
Her poor elephant is getting raped.
He likes it.
No, that's
too.
Disco Dino's
Next,
drawings. Didn't you just say you didn't want to be... What is it?
What? I don't like butthole?
Be
Look at all
castrated
the
or
stuff
something?
shit now.
Oh. No, I like buttholes.
You just don't... You don't want hippie cavity search. There you go.
Yeah, that's what it was.
I feel like
I don't. I would just like, no, that's different.
Working in
though.
an
Like-
elephant's ass.
Like, I don't agree with oral butthole. Like, that's just wrong. You should never put your mouth anywhere near someone's butthole. But the butt stuff I like. The butt stuff I like.
You're a freak.
It's actually not bad. Don't knock it till you try it. Like,
I have tried it. I don't like it.
it takes getting, like, that first time it was like, oh, like amazing. And then after that I was like, oh god. I was like, oh god, that hurts. Stop. Like, oh, no, away from the butthole. But it just takes getting used to.
So the cleanup bell?
Yeah, I think so. No, it's not. That's the end of first lunch.
Oh.
No, it's 1:15. We have 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah, that is the cleanup bell. So you can stop digging in his ass now.
I have to be able to get my entire hand in there now. Before I can stop.
There you go, Autumn. Just shove that fist right on in there.
Get out!
Because if we were, we did it first. And I'm trying to actually tell me. No matter how many times now, like, you did it once, and as many
It
times.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, still.
Plus one's a cheater, always a cheater.
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
Yeah, I don't believe that because I would never do that to Hannah again ever.
I was just jumping in on the conversation.
Well, I told her,
My mom goes
all
stepping on
the
the other
cheating
hand.
things?
He's a dick and I didn't like him.
I thought we were off of it because we were talking about his butthole. And wait, let me see how this looks. This beautiful butt.
Ah, tore that ass up.
Oh, yeah. Disco Dino's going to be pretty upset with you.
it's not excuses, actually, how to actually
I think he's going to come for you next.
feel bad.